What's up? Hey guys, it's Ivan. In this video, I want to show you how to style your text on social media like YouTube posts or Facebook ads and things like that, so that it will look, if you're using Facebook ads, something like this. So as you can see, bold text, right? Something you normally wouldn't have been able to do. Or, for example, over here in my description, as you can see, my description here is regular, but then this is bold. And then this comment is also bold. So you probably already noticed comments on YouTube, some that are bolded, that have strike throughs, stuff like that. And that's how they do it. It draws more attention. So the way you do it is you use this website, YayText.com. You type in whatever you want to. Hello, YouTube viewers. And then you have a huge collection of how you want to style it. Now, what I normally do is I do Control F and then I type bold. And it takes you to all these bold options you have, but obviously, you can pick whatever you want. Here's all the different options. And you'll learn how to do emojis in the previous video, so you shouldn't need to really use this. You can do that yourself. But that's all I wanted to show you. Very simple to do. I'm gonna delete that and delete the comment, but looks pretty cool, draws attention. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.